The global surface temperature has increased faster since 1970 than in any other 50-year period over the last 2,000 years. As a result, greenhouse gas concentrations, already at their highest ever recorded, have continued to rise. Greenhouse gases are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that trap heat. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere, warming the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface cools at night, releasing heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The gases act like glass walls of a greenhouse, hence the name greenhouse gases. Without this greenhouse effect, temperatures would drop as low as -18 degrees, too cold to sustain life on Earth. But human activities are changing the Earth's natural greenhouse effect with a dramatic increase in the release of greenhouse gases, which scientists agree are the cause of global warming and climate change and erratic behaviour. Fossil fuels like oil and coal, when burned, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into the air. Already, the average global temperature has increased by 1 degree. Warming above 1.5 degrees risks further sea level rise, extreme weather, biodiversity loss and species extinction, as well as food scarcity, worsening health and poverty for millions of people worldwide. Since the early 2000s, global weather patterns have been volatile and extreme due to global warming and climate change effects. In 2022, there were global weather-related natural disasters around the globe, ranging from droughts, extreme temperatures, floods, storms, and wildfires. Weather catastrophes due to erratic behavior caused economic losses of $500 billion worldwide in 2021. Based on data from reliable sources, fatalities during the same period amounted to between 85,000 and 145,000. On the current path of carbon dioxide emissions, temperature could increase by as much as 4.4 degrees by the end of the century. In 2019, greenhouse gas concentrations reached new highs. Carbon dioxide levels were 148% of pre-industrial levels. Since the mid-1980s, Arctic surface air temperatures have warmed at least twice as fast as the global average, while sea ice, the Greenland ice sheet and glaciers have declined over the same period, and permafrost temperatures have increased. Already, the average global temperature has increased by 1 degree. Warming above 1.5 degrees risks further sea level rise, extreme weather, biodiversity loss, and species extinction, as well as food scarcity, worsening health and poverty for millions of people worldwide. India, Iraq, Israel, Japan, Jordan, Lebanon, Russia, USA, Arizona, China, Ethiopia, Italy, Kenya, South Sudan. Nearly all land areas are seeing more hot days and heat waves. 2020 was one of the hottest years on record. On land, global warming causes the soil to dry out, a process made worse by other climate signals such as permafrost thaw due to heavy rain and evaporation. California, Benidorm, Colorado, Greece, Nevada, Portugal, Spain, Wildfires start easily and spread more rapidly when conditions are hotter. Wildfires and volcanic activities affected 6.2 million people between 1998 and 2017, with 2,400 attributable deaths worldwide from suffocation, injuries, and burns. But the size and frequency of wildfires are growing due to climate change. Hotter and drier conditions are drying out ecosystems and increasing the risk of wildfires. Water scarcity around the world is becoming a major problem. Jordan's water crisis is emblematic of challenges looming worldwide due to climate change and rapid population growth. Countries have often cooperated on water management, but still, there are a handful of places where transboundary waters are driving tensions, such as the Nile Basin. Also, the Euphrates River is drying up, causing major concerns in Iraq and Syria. Jordan, Iraq, Israel, Lebanon, Qatar, Sustainable energy such as wind and solar account for a large proportion of renewable electricity generation in the UK, but the hydroelectricity and bioenergy contribute as well. Wind power is the second largest source of electricity in the UK and the most efficient renewable form of energy. Britain leads the world, generating enough to power over 20 million homes each year. Moreover, the British government plans heavy investment to double capacity in the next few years. Electricity generated from the sun using solar panels on an industrial scale by the government or panels on people's houses is increasing. As of today, 6% of renewable energy is generated by solar. Nuclear power is a low-carbon power source too, though it is not renewable. Some renewable power sources are intermittent, meaning they are only available in certain conditions, such as when the wind is blowing or the sun is shining. Energy storage facilities are on the increase and come in use when the supply of solar or turbine energy is low or insufficient. Looking ahead, the recent focus on the scope of carbon removal is set to accelerate. There will be further progress with an increasing number of people collaborating to stimulate development, protect the environment,